Write down, please. Two-thirds of students in a class are boys. Two-thirds of the students in a class are boys. Rest are girls. It is known that probability of a girl getting a first class is 0.25. And a boy getting a first class is 0.28. Boy getting first class is 0.28. Find the probability that a student selected at random get first class in the subject. What is the probability that a selected child gets first class? Total two-thirds are boys, one-third are girls. The chance that girl get first class is 0.25. The chance that boy get first class is 0.28. My question is, child gets selected, or what is the probability that a child get first class? That child get a first class. So two possibilities. E1, the child is a girl. And E2 we are taking child is a boy. And A is what? Selected child got first class. So what I want in the question A. Probability of A means selected child got a first class. तो क्या लिखेंगे? First girl got selected and he got first class. And second one, girl child got selected. This is girl child and first class, boy child and the first class. Girl got selected, one-third. Got first class, 0.25. Then boy got selected, two-third. Chances is 0.28. This answer. Next question is, in a bolt factory, machine A, B, and C. In a bolt factory, machine A, B, and C. Manufacture respectively 25%, 35%, and 40% of the total bolts. Three machines are working. 25% of the total production will be done by machine A, 35% will be done by B, and 40% machine C. Of their output, 5%, 4%, and 2% are respectively defective bolts. टोटल का 5%, ये जो मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहा है इसका 5% ये डिफेक्टिव है, ये 35% प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, इसका ये 4% डिफेक्टिव हो रहा है, ये 2% डिफेक्टिव होगा. Question is, a bolt is drawn at random from the product. A bolt is drawn at random from the product. What is the probability that the bolt drawn is defective? What is the probability that the bolt drawn is defective? What is the probability that the bolt got defective? A machine 25% total manufacture production का 25% A produce करती है, B का 35%, C आपकी 40% production दे रही है total production का. And out of that, A gives 5% defective, B gives 4% defective, and C gives 2% defective. What is the probability that the bolt drawn at random from the lot, जो भी आपका प्रोडक्शन है वहां से आपने एक बोल्ट उठाया, is found to be defective? So we start with E1 first, E2, and E3. What E1 stand? The bolt is manufactured by machine A. Machine A. The bolt manufactured by machine B. And the bolt is manufactured by machines. And A, the bolt drawn or bolt is defective. Bolt drawn is defective. So we want what is PA. What it says, bolt is manufactured by machine A and come out to be defective. Plus, bolt is manufactured by machine B and out to be defective. And bolt is manufactured by machine C and it is defective. Defective bolt की probability निकालनी है तो it can be manufactured by machine A and defective, machine B and defective, machine C और defective. इसके chances क्या हो गए? 25% और defective होगा 5%. Second है manufactured, that is 35% and defective is 4%. 40% is defective. Sorry. Manufactured by machine C is 40% and defective will be. Solve it, you will get your answer. Now write down last topic of probability, which we have in our syllabus. Bayes theorem. Last write down please, Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. Write down please. First theorem write down, then I'll explain and then we'll do questions. Let S be the sample space and let E1, E2, E3 till En be N mutually E1, E2, E3 till En be N mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Exclusive and exhaustive events associated with a random experiment. If any event which occurs with E1 or E2 or E3 or EL, then P EI by A is equal to P EI intersection A by BA, which you can write as PEI into PA by EI divided by BA. Or you can write this as PEI into PA by EI divided by PA को आप लिखते हैं PE1 into PA by E1. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी में अभी पढ़ा है आपने. Yes. P1 into PA by E1 plus P2 into PA by E2 till Pn into PA by E1. This is called Bayes theorem. PEI by A. EI means either E1 or E2 or E3. EI by A is, ये हमने conditional वाला फॉर्मूला लगाया है. Conditional probability मांग रहा है वो. Probability of happening of EI when A is already happened is PEI intersection A by PA, और इसका फॉर्मूला अपन लिख सकते हैं PIA into PA by EI. ये हमारी मल्टीप्लिकेशन थ्योरम थी, डिवाइडेड बाय PA, और PA हमने टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी से निकाला. हुआ क्या है, देखिए, this is our sample space and it is associated with an events, and events are there. E1, E2, E3 till EL. These all events are mutually exclusive. है ये सारे events. They all are mutually exclusive as well as exhaustive. These events are exhaustive also. ये event आपके mutually exclusive है as well as it is exhaustive. And A is the event taking place with it. एक इवेंट है जो इसके साथ हो रही है. A either takes place with E1 or it takes place with E2 or it takes place in E3, so on till En. हमें क्या चाहिए अब की बार, पी ई आई बाई ए चाहिए। प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हैपनिंग ऑफ ई आई, मान लिया ये ई आई है तो ई आई व्हेन ए इज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड, ये पूरा हो चुका है, तो पी ई टू बाई ए ये पूरा हमको चाहिए। तो दैट मींस वी विल से अगर ये पूरा चाहिए तो पी ए तो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, इसका मतलब दिस इवेंट इज ऑलरेडी टेकन प्लेस, और न्यूमरेटर आ जाएगा पी ई आई इंटरसेक्शन, और उसको हमने पी आई इंटू पी ए बाई ई आई। ये आपका फॉर्मूला है जो आपको याद रखना है। This result already I told you what is PA. PA we have done as PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 till PEN into A by EN. ये हम पहले ही कर चुके हैं, इसलिए इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब ये क्वेश्चन कहाँ यूज होगा, किस तरह से क्वेश्चन होगा, वो हमको देखना है। अभी जैसे मैंने ये क्वेश्चन किया था, I told that a bolt is manufactured by 3 machines in the factory, A, B and C. 3 मशीन थी हमारे पास, या तो A उस बोल्ट को प्रोड्यूस कर रही थी, या B या C। A 25% प्रोडक्शन कर रही थी, B 35%, C 40%. A is the condition and 2% produced by A was defective, 3% by B and 5% by C. They are defective one. और अभी हमने क्वेश्चन ये पूछा था कि if a bolt is drawn it is found to be defective, what is the probability that the bolt drawn is defective? अब मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे, I take out one bolt, I found that is defective. In the previous question we have done what is the probability that bolt is defective. Bolt defective होने का चांस मतलब PA मांगा था आपसे सीधा, तो PE1 into PA by E1, PE2 into PA by E2 till PEN by PA by EN हमने किया. But now they are asking you have seen the bolt got defective. A is already happened, bolt got defective. What is the probability that it is produced by machine A, या machine B, या machine C? It means they are asking PE1 by A, or PE2 by A, or PE3 by A. तो उसमें होगा क्या, ऊपर तो आ जाएगा PE1 into PA by E1, और नीचे आपके सारे केसेस सम अप हो जाए। That way you will be going to get PEI by A. ये हमको निकालना आना चाहिए। That is the probability we call as Bayes theorem, by which we are finding the conditional probability. When there are n events which are mutually exclusive as well exhaustive, and A is taking place with them, so then the formula is going to change. तो अब क्या हुआ है, जो हमने टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी है उसके साथ अब हमारे पास कंडीशन क्या आ गई है, पीए नहीं निकलवा रहा है, आपसे कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी निकलवा रहा है, देन दिस फार्मूला यू विल बी गोइंग टू यूज। Right, first question we will go with the same question which we have done previous one. Write down, in a bolt factory, machine A produces 25% of the bolts. B produces 35% of the bolt. C produces 40% of the bolt. And out of their output, 5% are defective, 4% is defective, and 2% is defective. A का जो प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है उसका 5% डिफेक्टिव आ रहा है, B का जो प्रोडक्शन है 4% डिफेक्टिव दे रहा है, C का 2% डिफेक्टिव। A bolt is drawn from the product and it is found to be defective. Bolt is drawn from the product and it is found to be defective. ये bolt आपका defective आ चुका है. What is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? What is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? तो देखो अब कैसे क्या क्या है अपने पास और क्या निकालना। E1, we should say bolt manufactured by machine A. E2, bolt manufactured by machine B. bolt is manufactured by machine C. A, the bolt is defective. The bolt come out to be defective. My question is what? P. Bolt is already defective. And now it should be produced by machine B, that is E2. So they are asking P E2 by A to be calculated. What is the formula I told you? P E2 into P A by E2 divided by PA. PA को अब आप क्या लिखेंगे? P E1 into P A by E1 plus P E2 into P A by E2 plus P E3 into P A by E3. This is the formula we have. P2 into PA by E2, ये तो हमारा ऊपर कंडीशन में आएगा और ये आपके नीचे PA टोटल प्रॉपर्टी है. सॉल्व करो. PE2, it is manufactured by machine B, 35 by 100 into 4% defective. Here it will come 25 by 100 into 5 by 100 plus 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100 will cancel out everywhere, so numerator is 35 into 4. नीचे आ रहा है आपका 25 into 5 plus 35 into 4 plus 40 into 2. और भी कट सकता है. 5 यहाँ से कॉमन आ जाएगा और एक 5 यहाँ से कट जाएगा. तो 5 से सबको काट रहा हूँ. 5 7 are 35. 5 5 are 25, 5 7 35, 5 8 are 40. ये हो गया 7 4 are 28, 5 5 are 25 plus 7 4 28 plus 60. Will get your answer. Simple question. ये आपका बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आता है, कई बार 6 नंबर में ये क्वेश्चन आता है. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, बट क्वेश्चन को समझना जरूरी है कि इट इज अ कंडीशनल वन या टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी है. अगर ये कहता व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट बोल्ट इज डिफेक्टिव, केवल इतना पूछ रहा है, मींस टोटल मांग रहा है. और अगर कह रहा है ऑलरेडी वी नो इट इज डिफेक्टिव एंड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय सम मशीन, तो फिर आपका ये बेस थ्योरम पे जाएगा. राइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. 3 urns. Urns means pot or bag. Contains 6 red, 4 black balls. Four red, 6 black balls. 5 red, 5 black balls. One of the urn got selected and a ball is drawn from it. One of the urn got selected and the ball is drawn from it. If the ball drawn is red, if the ball drawn is red, find the probability that it is drawn from first urn. Find the probability that it is drawn by first urn. 3 बैग है या 3 पॉट है, अर्न है, Any one of them we have taken the ball, we have drawn one ball from it, found to be red, we know it. What is the probability that the ball drawn is from bag number 1? Yeah, earned 1. This is first turn, this is second turn, this is the third turn. E1, E2, E3. The ball drawn is from first turn. The ball drawn is from second turn. And the ball drawn is from third turn. And what is A here? A क्या है आपके पास? The ball drawn is
red.
Yes, ball drawn is red. So what has already happened? It's already a red ball. Now it should come from bag number or earned number 1. ये क्या है? They're asking what is PE1 by A. So go for formula. PE1 into PA by E1 by PE1 into PA by E1 by PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 plus PE3 into PA by E2. What is the chance that ball come from bag number 1? Bolo bhai.
1/3.
1/3. Yes, 3 bag is 3 1/3. So पहला आ गया 1/3 into red ball first bag से आ रही है 4/10. It is
सर रेड है तो 6/10 होगा ना?
अच्छा सॉरी रेड है तो 6/10. Second one 1/3 into 4/10. And third 1/3 into 5/10. 30 सब में कैंसिल हो जाएगा. You will get your answer. निकाल लो क्या.
Sir, 2/5.
Yes, answer is 2/5. Next question. A company has 2 plants to manufacture scooters. A company has 2 plants to manufacture scooters. Plant 1 manufactures 70% of the scooter. Plant 1 manufactures 70% of the scooters. And plant 2 manufacture 30% of the scooters. At plant A, 80% of the scooters are with standard rated. 80% manufacturing will be standard one. Faulty नहीं है, standard है. 80% of the manufacturing done by first machine is 80% standard. Scooter will be manufactured by machine A. 20% उसमें defective chances आ रहे हैं. While in the second plant we have 90% are of standard rated. 90% will be of standard weight. Then what is a scooter is selected at random. A scooter is selected at random and found to be standard. A scooter is selected at random and found to be standard. What is the probability that it is manufactured by plant 2? What is the probability that it is manufactured by plant 2? Correct. Manufactured by plant 2. E1 is what? Scooter is manufactured by plant 1. E2, the scooter is manufactured by plant 2. And what is A? The scooter is standard rated. What it is asking, scooter is already a standard rated, now it should be manufactured by plant 2. So P E2 by A we want in the question. Do it, please. E2 means manufactured by machine B or plant 2. That is 30 by 100. And what rated? 90% standard. E1, 70% and 80% are of standard rate. Then E2, 30% and then 90% are of standard. Again 100 get cancelled out everywhere. ये दो zero भी गए.
The 27 by 83.
27 by
83.
83.
3.
हाँ भाई यही आ रहा है आंसर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक और क्वेश्चन लिखो. An insurance company insured 2,000 scooter drivers. 2,000 scooter drivers. 4,000 car drivers. And 6,000 truck drivers. The probability of an accident involving the scooter driver is 0.01, car driver 0.03, and truck driver is 0.15. An accident involving scooter driver chances 0.01 है, कार ड्राइवर के चांसेस 0.03 हैं और ट्रक ड्राइवर के चांसेस 0.15. One of the insured person met with an accident. One of the insured person met with an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? 4 नंबर में जो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है प्रोबेबिलिटी का, या तो टोटल से आ रहा है या बेस से आ रहा है. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, मुश्किल नहीं है. ये क्वेश्चन जो अभी हमने 3-4 किए हैं सब बोर्ड में आए हुए क्वेश्चन है. कोई 2 बार आया, कोई 3 बार आया, ये 4 बार आया हुआ क्वेश्चन. बहुत आसान है, नंबर नहीं जाने चाहिए इसमें. So decide what is E1. बोलो भाई, what is E1? Insured person is a scooter driver. E2. Insured person is car driver.
सर ये टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी का केस है ना?
नहीं, कैसे?
सर बट
क्वेश्चन में क्या था? एक पर्सन है, वो एक्सीडेंट में इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी दे दी. आगे मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं है क्या क्वेश्चन में? वन ऑफ द इंश्योर्ड पर्सन मेट इन विद एन एक्सीडेंट, ये लिखा हुआ है. एक पर्सन जो